Welcome to the fifth lesson in Revit architecture lecture series. In this video, let us see how to create the paint and how to apply it to our walls. So let us paint the building today. So for that, let us go to Manage tab. Here Settings panel, Materials. Here we are about to create the materials. Here in this, you can see here is the last one. Create new material. A default new material is created. Now I will right click on that, rename it. I can give whatever color name I want. So my favorite color is ivory. I will give ivory. Uh, just by changing the name, it will not change. Let us go to appearance tab here. Okay, I say Nerolac ivory. So ivory is the name I have already created. So Nerolac ivory. Let us give another name. Appearance tab here. Color. Now just click on that. You can select the color you want. So I'm about to give ivory color over here. That is pale white. That looks like pale white, pale yellow. Yes. Okay. So now a paint is created. Okay. Let us apply the paint now. Modify tab. Now here this is in geometry panel. You can see here paint. This is paint, remove paint. So you have two options here. There is no paint over here. So let us paint now. So for entire building, I will give the same ivory color. Let us select here ivory, Nerolac ivory. Here, Nerolac ivory color. I will select that color. I'll just click on the wall I want. So outside the building also I'm giving the same color. Yes, for entire building I have given the same color. Now I want to give another color for this bedroom. So for this bedroom, if you see the wall is same, the wall is common for bedroom and here toilet. Right now I want to give another color for this only bedroom. So done, I will click done. First I will remove the paint here. I will create a gap over here. I will split the wall now. So in modify panel, you can see split element. So you just click at the boundary. Yes, a split is created over there. Now if you paint, so I want to give a pink color for that. Let us create another material by going manage tab, settings panel, materials over here. I'll create a new material again and I rename it as peach pink. Now I change the appearance. I select the color now. Let's just select peach pink, light peach pink. Yes. That is almost like that peach pink. So you can select the whatever color you want. Right. Okay. Okay. And for this wall, I will paint. Again, go to modify tab, paint. So we are about to apply the paint. Let us select the color peach pink. Apply it here. That's it. In a similar way, I want to paint, give another paint here also for this wall. So first, already as we have applied the same paint to all walls, let us remove that. Remove paint. I will remove the existing paint. I'll manage the materials. I will create another new material. I name it as I rename it as brown. Right, appearance. I change the appearance again, color. So I want, so many names will be given to the colors. I'll give this color. Okay. Okay. Now I want to paint the wall. Go to modify tab, geometry panel again. Here this is paint. So don't click on this icon blindly, just click the drop down and select the paint. So brown color I have created. Let us see, brown B. This. Apply that. That's it. Similarly, you can create lot more paints you want and you can apply to your flat or building. Thanks for watching.